if you're looking to get UGC content for your social medias and you want a mix of creatives and an AI aspect to it, this is what you need to do. Go to ugcteam.io. I'm going to show you right now. I have used this on many businesses. I'm going to show you the proof. I'm going to show you the real results on what everyone's saying. You decide for yourself if they're real or AI. It doesn't matter because they're that good. Let's get into it. So here we are, ugcteam.io. Now, this is the company that I used to build my business's brand. Now, it's very, very easy to do, guys. And you can see just straight away as we go onto the first page, I don't even know if these are real people or AI. These look absolutely insane. Now, real creativity drives viral content. Now, there is AI to this and there is real creators. That's why it's such a good mix. I've seen companies before that are just AI. I've seen companies before that are just real creators. And to be honest with you, combining the both is by far the best in my opinion. Now, you can go to any of these and they will be talking about UGC right now. For example, Yahoo Finance, one of the biggest in the space. You can see talking about ugcteam.io is absolutely going off. So guys, it's not just me talking about it, everyone is. So you can go from zero to viral with high engagement UGC content tailored to PPC campaigns. And there's something they do that is extra special. The editing behind this is absolutely, it's unmatched, okay? You can go and type in right now, get an AI creator. And you'll get an AI creator, but you won't be able to get the editing. The editing that UGC team do is next level. It's the only UGC partner your brand needs. So for example, let's have a look at some of these in their raw form. So let's just click on this video right now. So guys, you can see already, this looks insane. I don't know if this is one of the real creators or an AI creator. This is talking about Stoic, which is a Forex broker, absolutely fantastic broker. But the UGC team actually managed this social media. Now you can see incredible posts, incredible videos. Okay, everything about this branding is done to perfection. So let's go and have a look at one of the videos and just go through some of the reels. You tell me if you think it's a real person in the comments or if you think it's someone that isn't real. Let's have a look at this one. And as I unmute it, guys, just check out the editing. The editing is mind-blowing to me. This is something that people struggle with. So guys, you can literally produce these in a couple of minutes. Guys, this looks so real. It's absolutely insane. So if this is something you want to do, guys, all right, it's very, very easy. All you got to do is go to UGC team and have a look. Now, it doesn't matter if you're looking for just simple videos. If you're looking to brand a product, they can do it for you. Okay, they have a comprehensive creative toolkit to help you. Human creatives, okay, plus the AI adaptability, everyday affordability, and content delivers 7 to 15 days. Now, it's a cutting edge technology that they use, okay? This is some of the testimonials. We got PU Prime, which is a huge broker based out of Canada, okay? Talking about them saying they're the most reliable of all time, okay? They got 660 million views from this, 1.6 million clicks, and 2.66% CVR. All right, with Fulfillment, which is a massive fulfillment center in the e-commerce space, over 180% conversions, 28 plus clicks, and 550 videos created. Now, talking about Lead Sniper, which is where you can scrape your data. These are a huge company based out of the European sector, okay, which offers scraping in Google Maps. They've said they are at 163,000 conversions, 39% plus clicks, and 900 videos created. And guys, you can create 900 videos pretty quickly. So if you want to put your brand ahead, guys, you can, okay? All these people on Trustpilot giving good reviews. You can actually go to Trustpilot and check them out. If you want to talk about content, guys, contact them now. It's very easy. You click this, you're going to go through to their support form, and then you're going to be able to contact them. It's very, very easy. So if you need UGC for your TikTok, your Snapchat, your Instagram, your YouTube, whatever it is, this is how you get it. That easy. There you go, guys. Do me a huge favor. Hit the like button, hit subscribe with the bell if you're notified, and I'll see you next time.